A dopamine detox is a term used to describe a period of time where you intentionally avoid activities that release high levels of dopamine in the brain, such as social media, video games, and junk food. The goal of a dopamine detox is to reset the brain's reward system and reduce the tolerance to dopamine, which can lead to a greater enjoyment of life. Here are some potential advantages of a dopamine detox. Increase motivation. By reducing the amount of dopamine you consume, you may become more motivated to pursue other activities that don't necessarily provide an immediate dopamine rush, such as exercise or reading. Improved mood. Research has shown that excessive dopamine consumption can lead to a decline in mood and an increased risk of depression. By reducing dopamine intake, you may improve your overall mood and mental health. Increase focus and productivity. Consuming too much dopamine can lead to a decrease in focus and productivity as your brain becomes used to constantly seeking out novelty. A dopamine detox can help you regain your focus and improve your productivity. Here are some ways to boost your enjoyment in life without relying on high levels of dopamine. Connect with others. Spending time with friends and family can provide a sense of fulfillment and happiness that cannot be obtained from social media or video games. Engage in hobbies. Pursuing hobbies that you enjoy, such as playing an instrument, painting, or hiking, can provide a sense of accomplishment and enjoyment. Exercise. Exercise releases endorphins, which can provide a natural high and boost your mood. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help you become more present in the moment and appreciate the simple pleasures in life. Gratitude. Practicing gratitude by reflecting on the things in your life that you are thankful for can help you cultivate a sense of joy and contentment. Spend time in nature. Spending time outdoors and in nature can help reduce stress and increase feelings of happiness and well-being. Learn something new. Learning a new skill or taking up a new hobby can provide a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Volunteer or help others. Helping others can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment and can also help you feel more connected to your community. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself, both physically and mentally, can help you feel better and more content in your daily life. This can include things like getting enough sleep, eating healthy foods, and taking time to relax and unwind. Travel and explore. Exploring new places and experiencing different cultures can provide a sense of adventure and excitement and can also help broaden your perspective and increase your appreciation for life. Thank you for watching. In this video, we discussed the concept of dopamine detoxing and why it can be beneficial for our physical and mental health. By reducing our intake of activities that provide high levels of dopamine, we can reset our brain's reward system and increase our enjoyment of life. We also shared some tips for boosting our happiness and satisfaction in life without relying on high levels of dopamine, such as spending time in nature, practicing self-care, and learning new skills. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and we encourage you to try out some of these tips in your own life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thank you again for watching.